Hi everybody, Matthew aka Divi Ninja here. Today I'm going to show you how to add content to your homepage in Divi. Specifically, I'm going to add a chunk of text and a YouTube video. So hopefully you're ready to go. And here we are. On the pages, I'm going to click on Edit with Divi. And that brings up the Visual Builder. So again, I started with a sample page here that WordPress always installs, and I'm going to edit it. As you can see, again, as you roll over sections, rows, modules, you can edit them. First thing I want to do is that I want this to be 2 columns so that I can put my video on the left and my content or text on the right. So I'm going to click on this little icon that looks like a divider, and that's the column structure. And change that to 2 columns. So it automatically puts whatever modules, whatever single module is there in the first column. I'm just going to click and drag over to the second column. I do have some text that I'm going to change that out with, so I'm going to click to edit that. Not a fan of the Visual Builder, so I tend to use the regular text editor. Let me switch over here and grab my text from here. So here's the text I want, copy, come back over here, paste. That's not what I wanted, but that's okay. I can clean it up real quick here. So again, it looks like it formatted this funky for some reason or another. Clean it up real quick. Sorry guys. In case you're wondering what these red lines are, I use Grammarly, so it helps with the editing. One more place here, it looks like. Okay, there we go. So there's my text. And now I'm going to add a YouTube video on this side. I'm going to click the Add Module button, or Insert Module button, and I want a video. So video, it comes up with Divi's default video. So I'm going to change that. Click on the gear here. Missed. Come on, click. Okay. So I can choose a file or upload a file, but I'm going to insert it from YouTube. Switch over to Chrome. Switch over to Chrome. Here's the video I want to use. I'm just going to copy this link here. Copy. Back to my other browser and paste. So it automatically puts the thumbnail in there. You have option to change that here if you want. Here we go. So there's my video on the page. If I don't like the thumbnail, I can click on overlay and upload an image or generate a different one from the video. I'm good with that. I'm going to click the green checkbox down here to save that so far. Really, that's it. What else I want to show you real quick is that I don't want all this white space here. So what I'm going to do is spread my row out. So click on row settings, design, sizing. I don't want to constrain my site to 1,000 pixels, so I'm just going to change this to 100%. And then I'm going to pull this slider till I get it where I want it. If I go 100%, it's touching both sides. I don't want that. Let's go with let's just go with 90. So now that row is taking up 90% of the browser window. Again, with green box, save, and there we go. Filling up more of the space. My video's bigger. Might go back and add more text later, but let's just go ahead and make it bigger. How about that? So again, I clicked on the gear. I'm clicking on design, text. Scroll down a little bit, and here's my text size. You can see, let's switch sides. My default's 14. I'm going to change it to 18. That line height looks funny, so let's change it to default's 1.7. How about we go with 1.8? Awesome. So that text fills up that space a lot nicer now. Again, green checkbox save. And then the last thing I have to do is actually save the page so that it gets all those pages. We click on the purple Divi icon down here. It opens up a bunch of options for me. One of them is save. I'm going to do that now. Okay, good to go. So I'm going to click on the site here. You can see that there's my sample page data. I'm going to refresh, and there's my text and video. So easy. Change my text, change my row to 2 columns, and add a YouTube video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything else you want to know how to do in Divi, follow along. I'm going to go through building out the rest of this site, and if I don't cover it, I'm happy to. Just shoot me a comment. So again, it's Matthew with the Divi Ninja, and have a good evening.